Blythe, are you helping?
I know.
It's okay. Keep watering. Good job, gardener.
I'm doing it this flower.
Oh, good idea.
They're very thirsty.
You're very thirsty.
They're very, very thirsty. Woo-wee. It's hot today.
It sure is.
Mommy, I need to get this side.
No, we're not stepping in. Oh, okay, okay.
We're out of one.
Good job. All done.
Mommy, we have to go to those flowers over there.
Okay, you're the boss.